Thank you, President. My adjournment matter is for the Minister of Energy, Environment and Climate Change, and it concerns the erosion of Inverloch Beach over the last decade. Minister, on the 12th of January, I joined hundreds of passionate Inverloch residents in gathering for the Rally Around Our Dunes event at Inverloch Beach. Tragically, the beach has endured dramatic erosion over the past 10 years, with up to 70 metres of the vegetated dune having been swept away. The total loss of the dune is now over 8 hectares and is equivalent to an area of 4.5 mcgs. Even worse, if the current rate of erosion continues without intervention, the remaining dunes will most likely be gone in around 4 years. The loss of the beach and its dunes would have a devastating impact on residents, visitors and the local economy, as well as the natural environment. The only action that the government has taken so far was to fund a report back in 2019 on management strategies. 3 years later, this report has still not been delivered, and during that time, a further 10 metres of dune has been lost out to sea. The South Gippsland Conservation Society have closely followed this issue for years and have released its low-impact, short-term dune management proposal for the Wreck Creek and Flat Rock sections of Inverloch Surf Beach, the two sections of coastline that are currently at most risk. The proposed program, developed in collaboration with Professor Roger Tomlinson, Foundation Director of the Griffith Centre for Coastal Management, is based around restoring the dunes over the 325 metres long Wreck Creek section of coastline to what existed in 2018. The approach of providing a short-term protection while longer-term planning is underway has been followed at other risk Victorian beaches, such as Apollo Bay, as this approach is not new and it works. The proposed restoration would involve transporting the sand from the Point Norman and Point Hughes sand barriers in Anderson's Inlet to the Inverloch Beach, delaying the Wreck Creek estuarine lagoon system from being washed away during the future storm surges. This renourishment is urgently needed before the onset of the autumn and winter storm swells. Therefore, my adjournment issue to the Minister of Environment and Climate Change is very clear. The action is to urgently pledge funding for the immediate restoration of the Inverloch Beach dunes.